Very tired.
Study day is very nice. Hi guys! There's a different kind of peace that settles in when the usual rhythms of a place pause. The paths are empty, the lecture halls are silent, and this quiet, there is a space. Space for thought, for depth, for a different kind of learning. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chaos Vibes and Views. I'm so glad you chosen to spend this peaceful heights with me, and I turn a solitary study day into our shared quiet moment. Let's move in silence, think in focus, and begin this new chapter together. So guys, there's a different feeling in the air today. The usual urgency is gone, replaced by a gentle calm with no compulsory lectures to rush to every step feels intentional. Don't misunderstand, this isn't a skip day, okay? It's a chosen one, a day to reclaim my time and focus without any pressure except the kind I play with myself. So guys, for soul that loves for long time and nature, this is the ultimate vibe. My own quiet corner in the summer heart where learning doesn't feel like a task but a gentle conversation with myself. Because even the most focused minds need a moment of sweetness, a perfect break. So guys, the quiet solitude was wonderful, but now it's time to embrace the classic scholars vibe. The library awaits. And the most important thing which happened in that day was this study session came with the most beautiful unexpected gift. The love and care of my roommate. Thank you for nourishing more than just my mind, Aki. Ending our study date on a favorable note, the sounds, their smells, the taste of campus kottu, and it was the kottu day of our main canteen. The core memory made even better with company. So guys, there's a certain rhythm to a day like this. A dance between solitude and connection, between intense focus and joyful breaks. We had the peace of the summer heart, the warmth of a surprise visit, and the vibrant energy of the canteen. And now we return. Stepping back into the library feels like coming home to a different part of myself. So the guys, the part that is quiet, determined, and ready to absorb every last drop of knowledge before the day closes. The air here is thick with concentration, and I'm ready to add my own to it. This is the final act of today's story. Let's make it count. However, guys, for someone who is always surrounded by a gang of friends who thrives in laughter and shared moments,